Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. Today, very simple project, transforming this firewood into Christmas ornaments. Check out the video. So I had a delivery of my firewood a few days ago and I found this piece and I thought to myself, this looks way too good to be burned. So, Christmas ornaments it is. First of all, we need to cut some slices out of it. I'm going to be using my bandsaw for that, but you can even use your handsaw for that. Now it's time for a bit of sanding. Again, use whatever you've got, a random orbital sander, belt sander, anything will do. In this case, you can even do it by hand if you've got no tools. I'm using my trusty Triton sander. Okay, and then now it's time for the fun part. I'm using some stencils that I've got. If you want to download them, you can just head to my website. You can get them for free. I'm going to leave a link to those down below in the description of this video. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some carbon tracing paper, trace the design onto the cookies, the wooden cookies, and then I'm actually going to use my wood burning tool. You can get different ends for it. It's not expensive at all and it does a really solid job. Alright, so as that was pretty fun, I have to admit, and they came out not too bad, you know. I don't have the most steady hand in the planet, but they came out really cool. And I actually enjoyed the process. Problem is, it takes absolutely forever, and I still got loads to do. So I think it's time to get out the big guns for the job. Let's have a look how this will cope with my task. Now the laser I'm using is the R2, and I'm really pleased with this laser. It really came in handy in many occasions and this will be one of them. If you are interested in this particular laser, I'm going to drop a link to my video where I've done the full assembly and a bit of testing and my thoughts about it. And if you are interested in buying this, as I do really recommend it, and if you're a beginner like myself, this laser is absolutely perfect. I'm going to leave some links for you so you can check it out at the store and have a look. If you want to buy it, it will be there. But now I need to fetch my laptop, set everything up, and we'll start batching out. I have to say, I'm really pleased how these are coming out. Ever so much quicker, far more detail, and they look absolutely brilliant. Well, that's my way going forward with the rest of those cookies. But there's nothing stopping you from using the cheap handheld wood burner. It just takes a little bit longer of your time. I'm going to finish burning the rest of them on my laser, and after that we'll be applying some finishing touches to these lovely decorations. Now I'm just going to pre-drill a hole for a string of some sort, anything you want to use really, to hang them on your Christmas tree. And now I'm just applying some furniture wax finish onto it. That's my choice, nice, quick and simple, but obviously you can use anything you've got, maybe some wood oil, tung oil, linseed oil, or even a spray varnish, whatever you've got in your workshop and whatever finish you want. I'm really happy the way they came out, and yes, you know, the one that I've made with the iron myself, the wood burning tool, it's got a different look to it obviously than a laser cut one. I was playing about with the settings, how strong the laser should be, and it's all really down to your personal preference, how you want this to look. I'm on the border. I like both. I like the ones that were made by the laser and the one that I was doing myself with the wood burning tool, and I'm really pleased how they came out. I hope this really simple and small project brought you some inspiration for this Christmas, and it's still not too late for you to make something very unique for your Christmas tree, for your friends and your family. As I said, the stencils for these are available on my website absolutely for free. The link is down in the description of this video, so just go ahead, download whatever you need for your projects and create. But hey, if you enjoyed today's video, please drop me that like button down below. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Take care.